Welcome back to the series of how to buy your first home in New Zealand. Today we'll talk about the deposit part, but not the deposit I need for the bank. The deposit part the agent will tell you to put down on a sales and purchase agreement. So this is your cash that you've got available. Make sure you only put down the deposit you have available, not what you've got trapped in your KiwiSaver or elsewhere. It's liquid cash that you can put down on the moment when you go unconditional. Unconditional is when you've ticked off all your conditions that we talked about in the previous video. Then it means you're unconditional, the house is yours and we're just waiting for the settlement. Deposit, deposit, deposit. You need to put down what you have available in cash on the sales and purchase agreement. However, that money is still your money and it still forms the deposit that I need to take to the bank. So this money, you're not losing it at all. You don't have to come up with any extra money there. It's still part of your big deposit for the bank. Very confusing, I know, but that forms your big deposit for the bank, at the same time deposit that the agents can put down on the sales and purchase agreement that then they can take to the vendors and say, look, this is the offer we've received for your house, and this people are able to put down, let's say $20,000 when they go unconditional. So what it means is that if you don't settle, that's only if you don't settle, you lose that deposit. And what it means for the agent, obviously, that's why the agents want a bit more deposit down there, is that they can get paid out as well. So for the work they've done for the vendor, and then the vendor gets a little bit of money as well if you can't settle. But it hardly ever happens. Sometimes it does. I mean, we're all humans and things do go wrong. But at the end of the day, we need to make sure that the cash you put down as a deposit is the deposit in cash available to you, not being relied on KiwiSaver. Because KiwiSaver is also a separate process that takes out ages to come out, and when you go unconditional, it just may not be ready. So today we talked about the deposit part and how it forms the big role in your other deposit. And for more videos, feel free to follow me and give me a call if you want to. Zibuniso Alimova, Mike Mortgages.